rice, petroleum products, fertilizers, maize flour, sugar, among others, are some of the goods that had been stuck at the Rusumo border post. Since yesterday, operations began with close to 500 trucks that have already crossed into Rwanda. Some of these truck drivers we spoke to welcome this initiative and are glad to resume business.
Yeah, the border now is open, but I am not sure that even if it is already opening, because some of the people in their heads, they see that there is another problem coming. You see, because they see this is not the end solution. We need the East Africa community parliaments to sit and judge what is the solution way of this problem.
We are happy because we had spent time without working. Now we have resumed our work. It's great. I'm going to Dar es Salaam to bring fuel. It takes about 3 days. In a statement on Friday, Rwanda said that delegations from both countries had reached a deal to ease the truck drivers' impasse. Rwanda added that goods entering the country will be offloaded or transshipped at entry point, except for trucks carrying perishable goods and petroleum products destined to Rwanda. Right here where we're standing at the Kiazi port is what is commonly known as the inland container depot, where containers that are coming from Tanzania are offloaded and then put on 2 trucks that are now continuing to Kigali. Here in Kianzi, in Kirehe sector, the government allocated 7.5 hectares of land for purposes of offloading goods and other operations to prevent the further spread of the coronavirus. This has now created job opportunities for youth around here who see this as a way to develop themselves. There are so many youth around here who didn't have jobs before. We do this because we also want to develop our country. We haven't been at our homes in a long time. We stay here because we want to minimize contact with them and avoid the spread of the coronavirus. Rwanda Revenue Authority says that as much as the border had been closed for some time, they had prepared fully for when operations would resume again.
Thank you. No challenge so far because we were prepared and we tried to plan for the work that we were expecting. As I said, we were expecting 300 containers per day, and yesterday we received 335 containers, and we were able to manage because we have all the warehouse operators here with all the equipment, and our private sector was really ready, and the private sector was ready, so the work it's going smoothly. The drivers are ready to comply with the measures that have been set by the 2 governments. So far, we have not received any complaint from the drivers because they come here, we offload the goods, or we do the transshipment, and they immediately go back with their containers without delay. So far, they are happy about the services we are providing.
The Chianzi port has the capacity to receive 250 trucks at once and has a storage capacity for goods from at least 100 trucks that are offloaded to be transported into Rwanda. This is a move that was taken after Rwanda realized increasing numbers of COVID-19 cases among cross-border truck drivers. Following an agreement between Rwanda and Tanzania that was reached on the 15th of May that puts an end to the impasse between long-distance truck drivers and authorities at the border, truck drivers are now crossing into Rwanda. These trucks carrying different goods enter, some of them stopping in Chianzi to offload the goods, while those that carry goods such as petroleum are escorted by the security authorities to their destinations. Here at the Rusumo border, by 1 p.m., about 400 trucks had crossed since yesterday, with the first one arriving at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Reporting for RTV, Gloria Mutesi at Rusumo border.